Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. Today we are going to learn how to read platform specific values in the React Native. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So basically, what do you mean by the platform? Suppose I want to add some code for the Android and some code for the iOS. So in that note, platform comes into the role. Okay, so here you can see that currently this is Android, right? I have the Android phone, so this is Android. We have checked the platform, how it is. Let's have a look on that. So there is a platform in the React Native. Okay, so platform specific value platform dot select iOS or Android. Okay, so here we have the text only, right? So here you can also check that this, if you want to get the specific values, then it will give you that this is Android or whatever, or the platform dot select, right? So there are something also that if the platform is Android and the platform is iOS, okay, in that case also you can make a check of that one. Okay, so this is the way, that is a platform from the React Native that you can use to check whether it's to be Android. If you have the some other functionality, other logic to add, you can add with the help of the platform in the React Native. So I will just go and check also in the React Native documentation also, platform React Native. Okay, so here we have the platform, right? So here you can also see the platform.os. Okay, so here also I can check that the platform.os, what exactly it is. Okay, so let's check this one. If we have the text platform.os. Okay, let's have a look what exactly it is coming up. So here we go with the, you see Android, it's giving up the Android. So this is also, you can add the check that if it is Android, if it is iOS, you can add the check regarding to the platforms. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.